There is a subtle power within me, the essence of spirit. For lo, he that formeth the mountains, and createth the wind, and declareth unto men what is his thought, that maketh the morning darkness, and treadeth upon the high places of the earth. The Lord, the God of hosts, is his name. Amos 4:13. The Atman is permanent, eternal, and therefore existence itself. Raja Yoga. The great prophet Amos tells us that the God of hosts is the name of the power that forms the mountains, creates the wind, and declares its presence in the sanctuary of our own thought. This poetical description of spirit brings a sense of lightness, of peace, and of transcendent joy. Amos seems to have lifted the load of life in his declaration that the Spirit treads upon the high places of the earth. This transcendent thought of God should ever be with us, and like Jesus, we shall walk over the waves of human disturbance rather than being submerged by them. Our lesson tells us that the Atman, which means the real self, is eternal and permanent. And here the text swings into the profound observation that spirits exist within itself. Life does not depend upon something outside itself, but immediately precipitates itself in our experience when we recognize it. It is this divine recognition that gives us transcendent power, and we may rely upon this law, for it is absolute. Look unto me, and be ye saved, all the ends of the earth. There is a subtle power within me, the essence of spirit. I am sustained, I am guided, I am guarded. I am kept in the way of peace, prosperity, and joy. Every atom of my being is vibrant with life, a life with deathless self-existence. There is something within me today that sings a celestial song which exalts. This song finds its echo in everything I do, causing the deaf to hear, the blind to see, and awakens the paralysis of fear into life and action.